So question number 3. How can I have dedication to work on myself? So again, this kind of tailors into the same question. Dedication isn't something that you have or you just earn. It's something that you slowly build up. It's something that you work on slowly, day by day. And once you do that, that's how you find dedication. So again, if we want to take an illustration of a fire, right? So if you're at a campsite and you got this fire, first off, you got to ignite it. So something's got to ignite your dream. Something's got to ignite your passion. You get that lighter, the wood's on fire. Now, you're not just going to take one massive log and throw it on that little fire, because what's going to happen? It's going to fizzle out. It's going to burn out instantly. And then your dream is just gone in that instant. The fire is dead. What do you have to do? You have to slowly start to put the lighter things on. A little tinder, a little hay, or maybe a little twigs. And then it slowly gets hotter. What do? Start to put bigger logs on top of it, bigger logs. And then once it starts roaring, you still can't put that gigantic log on there. What do? You chop the log in half, maybe into 4 pieces. Then you put that big log on there. And that's how you truly build up your dream, your dedication, your inspiration. That's how that is achieved. If you just throw the big log on there, I want to become an astronaut, I want to become this, and not understand the steps or even do the steps before that, it's too big, it's going to crush you. You got to be able to do the small stuff first. If you can't fall in love with the small stuff, if you can't fall in love with the process, then that dream, that goal, you'll never have. Because you got to be in love with the process, not the end result. If you just want the medal for the Boston Marathon and you don't want to run, then you can never get it. But it's nice to think about. It's nice to think about, I want to be successful. I want to be a rapper. I want to be an influencer. But it's not fun putting in the work. But you like to think about it. You like to talk about it. You like to flip-flop on it. But if you really wanted to do it, you would fall in love with the work. You will fall in love with the work, and once you do that and you realize you're doing it for you, you're not doing it for the fame, you're not doing it for the medal, you're not doing it for the gold, you're not doing it for the money. That's when you're truly happy, and that's when people start to gravitate towards you. You know when somebody's trying to scam you, right? You get a telephone marketer, you know when somebody's just in it for your money. You don't think people can see that on the other side? You don't think people ever see that? So you're lacking, and you're also lacking a why. Like when you take something like, I want to be a rapper, or you want to be a musician, you want to be, I don't know, you want to go back to college, you have to figure out what's your why. Without that why, you have nothing, you have no direction. That's why, again, with the shiny object syndrome, when something new comes around, you just grab it. You just grab it and walk with it. You just grab it and run with it. Ooh, I see something else. I grab it and run with it. You have to focus on your attention. What's your why? Why do you want to be a rapper? It does not always have to come through a struggling aspect, like I'm trying to get out the hood. It could be you want to try to inspire the youth. You want to do something else. You may have a goal in life, but you have to figure out your why. If you don't have any why, if you don't have a why, you are going to constantly be chasing different things in life. You're going to be constantly chasing, ooh, I want to do this now, ooh, I want that. You're going to be distracted. Stop being distracted and chase your dreams. It's waiting for you. Your dreams are right there. They're right there waiting for you on a plate. You just have to get up and take it. But you don't want to get up. But you like to talk about it. You like to gas up with your friends and talk about all these things. Oh, I really want to do this. Or blah, blah, blah. I want to be a rapper and all that. And they might think, oh, that's cool. But a lot of people have told me things like that, and I can see through you. I know you're not going to do it. I don't want to say it, but I know you're not going to do it. Want to know why? Because you have no motivation. You have no why. You have no self-confidence. Build yourself up first. Build yourself up first, and you don't need to think about it in a grand scheme, like a grand plan. It could be a small plan. You may want to save, $1,000, $100, but take it day by day. Slowly start to build on that fire, and once you're able to do that, that's how you can That's how you build that house. That's how you build that foundation. And then once you do that, once you got the self-confidence, just like my guy who was trying to be single in the first question, once you got that foundation set, then you can start putting other things on top of it. That's my answer to that question. And I just want everybody to understand that you can achieve anything in life. You just have to be able to believe in yourself. And it's very simple. That's the thing that social media has taken away. It's ripped out your belief in yourself. Most people are walking around like broken human beings because they don't believe in themselves. Once you believe in yourself, you realize that you can achieve anything. So I hope that this can help you out. I love y'all. I'll catch you on the next episode.